For centuries, we have gazed at the stars and wondered about our place in the cosmos. Are we truly alone? Is there life beyond Earth? These questions have fueled our imaginations and driven us to explore the unknown. Today, we stand on the cusp of a new era, one where the dream of space colonization is within our reach. Imagine a future where humans inhabit other planets, expanding our civilization beyond Earth. This is not science fiction. It is the next giant leap for humankind. The desire to explore is deeply ingrained in our nature. From the earliest seafarers to the pioneers who crossed continents, humans have always been driven by a thirst for discovery. Now, we set our sights on the ultimate frontier space. We are no longer content with just visiting other worlds. We aspire to live on them, to build new homes among the stars. This ambition is not driven by mere curiosity, though that plays a part. It stems from a deep understanding of our own planet's fragility. Earth is finite, its resources limited. By venturing into space and establishing a presence on other worlds, we ensure the survival of our species. We create a backup plan for humanity, a safeguard against unforeseen disasters. The journey will be fraught with challenges, no doubt, but the rewards are too great to ignore. Imagine standing on the surface of Mars, gazing up at a red sky as the two moons, Phobos and Deimos, dance across the heavens. Imagine cities on the moon, bathed in the soft glow of Earthlight. This is the future we are striving to create, a future where humanity becomes a multi-planetary species. Since its inception, NASA has been at the forefront of space exploration, constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible and inspiring generations to look up at the stars with wonder and curiosity. From the historic Apollo missions that landed humans on the moon, marking humanity's first steps on another celestial body, to the sophisticated rovers exploring the rugged terrain of Mars, NASA has consistently demonstrated its commitment to advancing human knowledge and capability. Today, NASA is actively working towards making space colonization a reality, a vision that once seemed confined to the realm of science fiction. The agency's ambitious Artemis program aims to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon by the end of this decade, setting the stage for even more daring missions. This lunar base will not only serve as a hub for scientific research, but also as a crucial stepping stone for future missions to Mars and beyond, providing valuable insights and experience in living and working on another world. NASA's plans for Mars colonization involve sending a series of robotic missions to scout for resources, identify potential landing sites, and gather critical data about the Martian environment. These missions will pave the way for human explorers who will face the daunting task of building a self-sustaining habitat on a planet with a thin atmosphere, extreme temperatures, and no liquid water on its surface, making survival a significant challenge. To overcome these challenges, NASA is developing innovative technologies, including 3D printed habitats that can be constructed using local materials, advanced life support systems to ensure a steady supply of air and water, and methods for extracting essential resources from Martian soil. Beyond the Moon and Mars, NASA is also exploring the potential of other celestial bodies for colonization, driven by the quest to expand humanity's presence in the solar system. The icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, such as Europa and Enceladus, are believed to harbor vast oceans of liquid water beneath their frozen surfaces, potentially containing the ingredients for life. While colonizing these distant moons presents even greater challenges than Mars, the scientific rewards could be immense, offering new insights into the origins of life and the potential for life beyond Earth. NASA's efforts are not only focused on the technological aspects of space colonization, but also on the human element, understanding the needs and limitations of the people who will venture into these new frontiers. The agency is deeply invested in understanding the physiological and psychological effects of long-duration space travel on humans, recognizing that the success of these missions depends on the well-being of the astronauts. Through a variety of experiments conducted on the International Space Station, NASA is gathering valuable data on how microgravity, radiation, and isolation impact the human body and mind, information that is crucial for future long-term missions. This research is essential for developing countermeasures to mitigate the risks associated with space travel, ensuring that future space colonists are healthy, resilient, and prepared for the challenges of living in space. By addressing these multifaceted challenges, NASA is paving the way for a future where humanity can thrive beyond Earth, exploring new worlds and expanding our horizons. While NASA has long been the leading force in space exploration, its efforts have paved the way for new players to enter the field. In recent years, private companies like SpaceX are rapidly changing the landscape, bringing fresh ideas and innovative technologies to the forefront. Founded by Elon Musk, SpaceX is driven by the ambitious goal of making humanity a multi-planetary species. Musk's vision extends beyond just reaching Mars. He envisions a future where humans inhabit multiple planets. The company's revolutionary approach to space travel, focused on reusable rockets and spacecraft, has significantly reduced the cost of launching payloads and humans into orbit. This breakthrough has made space more accessible than ever before. By reusing rockets, SpaceX has managed to cut down on the enormous expenses traditionally associated with space missions, making frequent and affordable space travel a reality. SpaceX's Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed for interplanetary travel, represents the pinnacle of their technological advancements. This spacecraft is not just a vehicle, it's a symbol of the future of space exploration. Central to the company's colonization plans, Starship is envisioned as the vessel that will carry humans to Mars and beyond. The dream of establishing a human presence on another planet is closer than ever. Capable of carrying up to 100 passengers, Starship is designed to be a mass transportation system. This capability is crucial for ferrying not just astronauts but also scientists, engineers, and even tourists to Mars and other destinations in the solar system. Starship is envisioned as a mass transportation system for ferrying humans and cargo to Mars and other destinations in the solar system. This will enable the establishment of colonies and the transportation of essential supplies. With its super heavy booster, Starship will be the most powerful launch vehicle ever built, capable of delivering over 100 metric tons to Mars. This immense power is necessary to carry the heavy loads required for colonization. The ability to deliver such heavy payloads is a game changer, allowing for the transport of large amounts of equipment, habitats, and other necessities for sustaining life on Mars. Mars colonization is at the heart of SpaceX's long-term vision. The company aims to establish a self-sustaining city on Mars, a monumental task that requires careful planning and immense resources. The company aims to establish a self-sustaining city on Mars, complete with everything from housing and infrastructure to agriculture and industry. This vision includes creating a new society that can thrive independently of Earth. Complete with everything from housing and infrastructure to agriculture and industry, SpaceX's plans for Mars are comprehensive. They envision a thriving community where humans can live, work, and grow their own food. SpaceX believes that making life multi-planetary is essential for the long-term survival of humanity. By spreading out across the solar system, we increase our chances of surviving potential global catastrophes. By creating a backup plan on Mars, we safeguard our species against potential extinction events on Earth. This forward-thinking approach ensures that humanity has a future, no matter what challenges we face. Beyond its focus on Mars, SpaceX is also playing a crucial role in advancing space exploration in other areas. Their missions to the moon and beyond are paving the way for future exploration and discovery. The company's Starlink satellite constellation is providing global broadband internet access, connecting even the most remote corners of the world. This network has the potential to transform global communication. Connecting even the most remote corners of the world, Starlink is bridging the digital divide. This technology is revolutionizing communication and information sharing on a global scale. This technology has the potential to bridge the digital divide, revolutionize communication and information sharing on a global scale. It brings the world together, making information accessible to all. SpaceX's innovative technologies and ambitious goals are inspiring a new generation of scientists, engineers, and entrepreneurs to dream big and push the boundaries of what's possible. The impact of their work extends far beyond space. The company's success is a testament to the power of private enterprise and its potential to drive progress in space exploration and colonization. SpaceX is not just changing the way we explore space, it's changing the way we think about our place in the universe. Before we set our sights on the challenges of colonizing Mars or venturing further into the solar system, the Moon presents itself as an ideal testing ground for our extraterrestrial ambitions. Its unique environment offers a wealth of opportunities to test and refine the technologies and strategies that will be essential for future space missions. Its proximity to Earth makes it a relatively accessible destination, allowing for shorter travel times and easier communication with mission control. This means that any issues that arise can be addressed more swiftly, providing a critical advantage in the early stages of space colonization. This close proximity also offers a safety net. In case of emergencies, evacuation from the Moon is considerably more feasible than from Mars or beyond. The ability to quickly return to Earth in the event of a crisis is a significant factor in ensuring the safety and success of our initial forays into space habitation. Establishing a permanent base on the Moon would serve as a crucial stepping stone for future space exploration and colonization endeavors. It would provide a platform for testing new technologies and living conditions in a low-gravity environment, which is essential for preparing for longer missions to more distant destinations. It would allow us to develop and refine the technologies required for long-duration space habitation, such as closed-loop life support systems. These systems are vital for recycling air, water, and other resources, reducing the need for resupply missions from Earth and making long-term space living more sustainable. In situ resource utilization techniques, which involve using materials found on the Moon to support human activities, are another critical area of development. Advanced radiation shielding is also necessary to protect astronauts from the harmful effects of cosmic rays and solar radiation. Moreover, the Moon holds vast scientific potential. Its surface, largely unchanged for billions of years, offers a unique window into the history of our solar system. By studying lunar rocks and soil, scientists can gain insights into the processes that shaped the early solar system and the formation of planets. Its ancient surface, untouched by the geological processes that have reshaped Earth, could reveal valuable insights into the early solar system and the formation of planets. The Moon's geological history is a treasure trove of information waiting to be uncovered. The lunar poles, permanently shadowed and potentially harboring water ice, present exciting opportunities for scientific discovery and resource utilization. Water ice can be converted into oxygen and hydrogen, providing essential resources for life support and fuel for rockets. The Moon also offers economic potential. The resources found on the lunar surface, such as rare minerals and metals, could be mined and used to support both lunar and Earth-based industries. This could lead to the development of a new space economy, driving technological advancements and economic growth. Helium-3, a rare isotope on Earth but abundant on the Moon, holds promise as a fuel source for future fusion reactors. Fusion energy has the potential to provide a nearly limitless and clean source of power, revolutionizing the way we generate energy, potentially providing a clean and nearly limitless source of energy. Helium-3 could be the key to solving many of our energy challenges on Earth. The development of fusion reactors powered by helium-3 would mark a significant milestone in our quest for sustainable energy solutions. Mining helium-3 and other lunar resources could fuel economic growth and technological advancement both on Earth and in space. The establishment of lunar mining operations would create new industries and job opportunities, further driving economic development. By establishing a permanent presence on the Moon, we open the door to a new era of scientific discovery, technological innovation, and economic opportunity. A lunar base would serve as a hub for research and development, fostering collaboration between scientists, engineers, and entrepreneurs from around the world. It is a crucial step towards realizing our multi-planetary ambitions, paving the way for future generations to explore and inhabit the cosmos. The knowledge and experience gained from our lunar endeavors will be invaluable as we set our sights on Mars and beyond, ultimately fulfilling humanity's destiny as a spacefaring civilization.